guys, it's July 24th and we're fishing. This place is called, oh look, he got another one. This place is called Lake Terrell.
Blue Gill.
And we're like killing it right here in these little weeds. There's a bunch of like bluegill and what was the other one, baby?
Pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin seed. So we're catching a bunch of little ones. We're definitely gonna have some fish for tonight, baby, for dinner.
Oh, we're having fish tonight.
Yeah. Oh my God, you guys! The last video that I shot, we were exploring Blaine, Washington, and we kind of took a wrong turn, and we ended up going into the Canadian border on accident. Neither one of us had our passports on us. And dude, we went through customs for like 2 hours. We were stuck in customs. Like, they had to check us. They checked our car. Dude, they had
took our tree.
Yeah, they took some of our bud that we had in the car, which was really annoying.
Oh, look at there.
Wow, another one.
That's a keeper.
He's
fat.
Yeah.
And he swallowed it. So he has to be a keeper.
So yeah, we were in like Canadian customs for 2 hours, and then they turned us around finally, and then we had to get checked again from by U.S. customs. So we were like in limbo for a little while. So funny, you guys. I was not amused, but now I am. Now I am.
I was hella amused.
Steve was just cracking up the whole time. And I was like, God damn it, I didn't want to be in here. So yeah, guys, we got checked at U.S. Customs, which was a lot faster than the Canadian process of it all.
They had our passports on file.
Yeah, they had our passports on file, so they just kind of let us in. They're like, yeah, it happens. Come back into your country. Don't do it again. Yeah, that was pretty fun. But anyways, yeah, we're just gonna keep fishing here and just enjoy the day. Yesterday we just kind of hung out at home. I didn't want to go anywhere. I didn't want to put pants on or deal with people, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna go back to fishing. You guys, there's a bald eagle up on that tree over there, and he's been like coming down and fishing on this lake, and it's so cool to just watch him come down and get some fish and then bring him back to his nest, because there's definitely a female up there, and you can hear like little babies like, you know, calling their parents up there, so it's pretty cool.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit.
Yum, yum, pumpkin seeds tonight, baby.
We got tons of fish. We caught pumpkin seed blue gill and we got a catfish, but we actually didn't catch that one. There was a little boy on the pier that caught it, and I guess they didn't want to clean it, so they just gave it to us. What a cool place. Lake Terrell in Washington.
I think we should let him go.
Catfish?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the catfish.
Especially bullheads.
Bye, catfish. Be free.
Dude, we got so many bluegill.
Yeah, you gotta reprieve, little cat.